Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo! I hope you can hear me. Oh my God, awesome. Sorry. All right. Hey guys, so welcome to Fremont Street on in Las Vegas. This is the original strip. This guy's super soothing and super cool. All right. So you'll get a little taste of everything here on Fremont Street. Let me step out of the throng here for a minute. So the cover band that was playing when I first started this video is a group called Alter Ego. They were playing AC/DC, Highway to Hell. And boy, they're great. They were great. That was the drummer singing. I've only been down here twice, and they've been playing both other times I was here. And my generation, that's what I listened to in high school, was AC/DC. I know. That and Joni Mitchell. So I like all sorts of things. So I figured it's Vlogmas day 7, and nothing happened today. I did nothing except for lounge around the house and with Buddy the cat. I did go into the airport to get some stuff done, came back home, hung out with Buddy, and I figured I'm off tomorrow, so I thought I would just come down to Fremont Street and check it out. I wanted to show you guys something earlier, but I still don't really understand the finesses around copyrighted music. And there is, at the other end of Fremont Street, there is a 2-story tall giant metal sculpture of a what is that? Praying mantis. It's all lit up, and it shoots fire out of the tips of its antenna. And it was being done to the rhythm, along with the rhythm of Aretha Franklin singing Respect really loudly. And I wanted to film it, and I wanted to share it here, but I didn't want to break some sort of copyright. So I might use the image of that praying mantis as the thumbnail for this video. But if you have a chance, definitely check that out. What a riot. The guy who built it as a first anniversary gift to his wife. Yeah. So let's get back onto Fremont Street, and I'll give you a little taste of what to find here. So down here on Fremont, you're going to find all sorts of little shops. This one sells jewelry. This one over here sells leggings. There's one down here that sells little splat toys, little like split. They look like water balloons, but they just go splat. This guy is doing art with spray paint. And people can zip line down the length of Fremont Street. If I make it all the way down to Slotzilla with you, as you'll see where they slide out of. Oh, this is one of my favorite little kiosks up here. Is the Chippendales, so you can have your photograph taken with some muscular half-naked men. And this is a quiet night on the strip. Look at that. So this is very, very quiet. This is the beginning of winter. Imagine this in the summertime. Yeah, look at this. There's another cover band. Also awesome. Then dude and me. This is the world's largest video screen, from what I've heard. This is a band called the Garage Boys. Alright, so do you see that thing ahead of me? It's called Slotzilla. It's a giant slot machine, and if you look really closely at the top, you'll see people. Ziplining, and they zipline all the way down Fremont Street, all the way to the end, way down there. I think it costs $35 or something like that to slide halfway down Fremont Street while you sit down. The more expensive trip is lying on your belly like Superman, and you go all the way down. I have no idea how much that costs. Woo! Oh, you couldn't read Santa's sign. It says F-U-C-K-U. And this is it. Really, really quiet. There's a transformer over there. Oh! Fell out of character with his head off. Whoops. There's a White Castle. I've never had White Castle. There's almost no one in there. Maybe I'll try White Castle burger. Oops, let me run across the street. Let's run. You don't want to jaywalk in Vegas, I'll tell you. I'm a Bostonian, we jaywalk all the time, because past the pedestrians have right away in Boston. Not so here in Las Vegas. You can get tickets for jaywalking. So I don't jaywalk as often as I used to in Boston. Oh, here's Slotzilla. It's a giant slot machine. Crazytown. We just passed, or did we? There's a marijuana place around here where you can go buy pot. People walk around here smoking pot all the time. All right, so, all right, yeah, so this is a little bit more charming down here. Oh yeah, Happy Hanukkah again. So I think it's the 6th night of Hanukkah. How nice they have this here. Oh, Heart Attack Grill. If you're over 350 pounds, you eat free. Oh, okay. Yeah, no. So down here is, down here, oh, did you see the flames down there? Right down there? Maybe I'll walk down there too, and show you the giant, oh, it's, gosh, I missed the show. So right now it's shooting flames out of its antenna. It is, I'm not sure if I mentioned the praying mantis. I'll show you that in a minute, but it's a pretty iconic sign there. So in a moment, I will cross the street and I'll show you a little bit more charming views of Fremont Street. Hey guys, this is a little art park sponsored by Lyft. And this is a giant insect. And there is a polar bear. He's pretty friggin' big. Oh. This is a, oh my god, look, it's a little mini, it's a little house. There's that polar bear, he's giant. Hey there, me again. Here we are. Another iconic image for me is this neon martini glass. Looks like, now I don't drink, but this looks like a kind of place I would go to. All right. So, you know, you guys know I don't edit anything, right? So, I'm just pausing my camera between interesting spots. Oh, hey, by the way, speaking of interesting, well, not so interesting, but remember that leather coat I bought at Primark in Boston? This is it. And this is what you frequently wear in the winter in Las Vegas. Isn't that nice? All right, so I'm gonna pause this one more time until I get to the praying mantis. I found something else cool. Isn't that neat? I'm not sure which one I like better, this neon girl here or the giant shoe covered in lights. And so we're walking up now to a pretty popular spot called the Container Garden. Sorry guys. Oh. Whoops. All right, so I don't know if I can even legally video this because there's music playing, but look at this giant. Oops. Can you see that? I'm trying to walk and not shake the camera. It's a animatronic giant metal praying mantis that's dancing to music. Again, I'm not even sure if I should be filming this and posting it because, you know, it's probably copyrighted stuff. But how funny was that? All right, now of course it stopped just as I got here. All right, so pretty cool. Look at that, how weird. And this is the Container Park. And Container Park is an awesome place to hang out during the daytime with all sorts of cute shops and places to eat. And the inside is, hey there, completely made. All these buildings are containers, shipping containers.
Elementary, my dear Watson.
Oh my gosh. Huh. It seems to do things like that periodically. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. All right. Hi. So again, these are all containers. These are all shipping containers piled on top of each other. And there are restaurants and shops and really neat. You really can't tell, can you? But, all right, so I'm going to end this video here because the container park, while being charming, isn't terribly exciting. I want to end this video by saying thank you, thank you, thank you. You know I mentioned it in my vlog yesterday that we just passed 2,000 subscribers, and I think that's just terribly exciting. And you know, every day I go to my computer and I read these emails. I gotta tell you, I love you guys. And sometimes, yeah, I'll get emotional. But I want to thank you guys once again for getting us to 2,000. And I wonder what's going to happen with this channel. I hope you can see me. Gosh, I just realized how dark it is over here. But I wonder what's going to happen with this channel. You know, I do want to keep it focused on my experience as a flight attendant and sharing whatever I can to help you guys get this job if you want the job. But I'm wondering what's going to happen with this channel, you know. So I'm going to end this here so you can go about your night. And you have a great day. Fly safe, and thanks for walking around Fremont Street with me. Okay? Bye. See you tomorrow.